In 2021, US holiday season sales grew by 14.1% to $886.7 billion, setting a new record in retail sales despite challenges from inflation and supply chain disruptions from the ongoing pandemic. The holiday season is the most important time of the year for the retail sector and the families they deliver goods to. But without automation, these record-breaking numbers and how we experience the holiday season wouldn't be possible.
Even in the midst of the current holiday season, we're already thinking about planning and arranging for capacity to support the next holiday season. Automation allows for us to manage and optimize an expansive end-to-end supply chain that services nearly 500 stores, many fulfillment centers, many distribution centers. We bring in all this product, we repurpose and redistribute all of that product and inventory based on all the data that we have accumulated over the course of the year.
The retail world is changing faster than it has ever before. There's a constant flow that's always fluctuating, and businesses must be able to adapt. For decades, Macy's has worked with Maersk to design a flexible supply chain that keeps up with the constantly fluctuating retail landscape of both physical stores and e-commerce.
Macy's was one of these first companies who actually did system development with us, making it easier for their suppliers to book with us online, generate documents automatically. They were a big pioneer to actually develop those things with us together, and they've pushed us very hard to actually make it also available then to other customers. And they have a very, very strong drive for excellence. For Macy's, we're handling the entire flow all the way from where the goods are made in the factory all the way down to the consumer, where the customer picks it up either at his doorstep or in the store. What is quite special about the solution we have built for Macy's is that they can delay the decision on where the cargo in the end goes almost to the final minute.
This partnership and the capabilities that Maersk brings to the table, they give us the agility we need to adjust as the environment changes. Having this type of partner that has the end-to-end supply chain capabilities and assets to pivot with us has been incredibly important. We don't plan to warehouse inventory, we plan to flow inventory, and that's moving the inventory directly to a selling channel, whether that is our stores or our fulfillment centers.
And because we provide the visibility for them in advance down to a single item level, and they can see, okay, this type of top could maybe better go here, and this type of bottom should maybe better go to this type of store, and then we change it around.
This sortation, this sorter, allows us to take into account everything we've learned since we placed that order and make the determination now in terms of where best to position that inventory. This allows us to keep product moving at all times. The future of automation for Macy's is actually coming to life now. So what you will see in terms of automation is we will be using larger sets of data. We will be using more sophisticated planning systems. We will be making more real-time decisions based on internal and external data points. We will be leveraging automation that, again, helps to automate manual work and be using it to give us further capacity and further flexibility to meet the changing needs of our customers. From a customer perspective, what it means is that you're more likely to see the inventory and the product that you want nearest to you. Macy's and Maersk have been working together for more than 2 decades, and we're now celebrating our 25th year of partnership together. We had the best possible celebration. We partnered together to bring the Macy's Rainbow container to Herald Square, in front of our flagship location. When you find a partner that is there during the most difficult and challenging of times, that really accelerates the growth and maturity of the relationship.
We know each other's needs and supply chains very well, and most importantly, we trust each other.